What's the meaning of Amma? Amma. 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 Amma.
Amma is a term frequently used in South Asian cultures to refer to one's mother or a maternal figure. The word has its origins in the Tamil language but has been adopted by other languages spoken in the region. It is often used as a term of affection and respect towards mothers, grandmothers, and other maternal personalities. The use of the word has become an important aspect of cultural identity in the region and is associated with notions of love, care, and family values.